So in this tutorial we are in our tender exercise itself. As a participant we see that our next key deadline is coming up in 5 days for our due diligence. As it happens we've already filled that out, so we're going to go to the next tab, which is our quality assessment. So this is more like your sort of standard RFP, and in this example you have the title of the questionnaire, a description of what is involved, or whatever the host may have elaborated for you, as well as a series of questions down the page. You can download these questions into Excel, so you can look at them offline, share them with colleagues and collect their consolidated answers before coming back to the tool and pasting them in. And here we have section 1, the ability to supply, with a couple of questions, and section 2 with a couple of questions. So the questions are slightly different. Some are paragraph text in this case, where perhaps you might have a limit on how many characters are involved. Other questions might be upload a document, others might be yes or no, or pick an answer from a list, and various others. But in this case, so please confirm that you supply all the products and services. Yes, we can confirm that we do this. And you can see the characters updates live as you type, so prevents you from wasting time going over when you're not sure of it. And you might say this question, please outline how you intend to support business units. We have, let's say, service centres across the globe, for example. References, so client A. Obviously the questions you'll get in your actual tenders will be very different perhaps to the examples we've done here, but generally speaking it's the same process. You can just fill them in and either save your progress, so you can come back at another date, or you can submit your answers. On occasion you might see a progress bar at the top. That's for longer questionnaires, where you might need some guidance on how far you've come through the process. With shorter questionnaires we don't tend to make it reveal. And then when you're happy you can upload some documents. Let's pretend that was our letter of recommendation, and you submit your answers. So once your answers are submitted, you just see on the page confirmation of what you've submitted there. So your answer, and so on. And that's how you fill out your RFP.